Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to do email marketing with Wix. Once on Wix, you are going to be directed to this dashboard once you have signed in, and it's quite easy to sign in. All you have to do is enter your email address and create a password. From here you are going to tap on search for your business or website type, and for example we are going to be typing in landing page as we want to collect emails, so we are going to type in landing page. Then you are going to tap on next. After selecting next, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you can add the name of your company. Let me do that real quick. Once you have added the name, you are going to tap on next. Then you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you can scroll down. We will keep chat, and if you are setting up an online store, you could tap on online store. Then you can select view more if you would like to view more options, so you can tap on view more, and then from there you'll be able to add more options, but for now I'll simply tap on next. Once you have selected next, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and you have two options. You can either begin with a template, or you can let Wix create a website for you in minutes. For this example, I will tap on begin with a template. So from here you'll be able to choose a template, or better yet an outline of how you would like your landing page to look. So you can select any one of these options, as you can see right here. For this example, I'll select this one, so all you have to do is tap on edit. After tapping on edit, you'll give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, Wix is creating your website. Just give it a few seconds to. Okay, so once it is loaded up, you will be redirected to this page right here, and this is an example of how your website looks at the moment. You can see that this is a beautiful landing page. And from here you'll be able to edit the name, so you can change the logo right here. All you have to do is simply tap on the section. Then from here you will have numerous options. So let's say for example you want to delete the phone number. You can simply select this box right here. Then after selecting the box, you have one of two options. You can tap on edit text right here. Then from here you will be able to add your own number if you want. So you could clear the current phone number, and you could add your phone number, and you can also remove this entire box if you want. After doing that, you can also change the logo. So you can tap on the logo section right here, and you will tap on edit text. After tapping on edit text, you will see this option pop up, and from here you can change it. So you can add effects, and you can change the text overall of this section right here, and you can also remove the logo if you want. So you can tap right there, then tap on manage column, and you will be able to remove the logo, and you can add your own logo. What I want you to do after doing all of that and setting it up to your liking, you are going to go over to the top left hand corner. Okay, so once you have finished editing and it's to your liking, you are going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. So you are going to save the changes, and you can see right here Wix provides you with a free domain, so you can tap on save and continue. After selecting save and continue, what I want you to do next is go over to the top left hand corner, and from here you are going to tap on Wix, and it is going to redirect you to the dashboard. And once in the dashboard, what I want you to do, you are going to see a menu option on the left hand column. Just give it a few seconds to load up. And from the left hand menu option, I want you to select marketing and SEO. After selecting marketing and SEO, you are going to tap on email marketing. Then you are going to be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you'll see the option send your first marketing email, and you can pick a template. So you can select monthly newsletter, as you can see right here. You can select any one of these templates, or you could tap on start email from scratch. But for this example, I'll tap on this template right here. So I'll simply tap on edit template. Then give it a few seconds. After you have selected edit template, what you're going to do next, you can edit the wording. So you can tap on any section that you would like to edit. And you can also edit the image right here by tapping on the image box. Then you could go over to the left hand menu option and you could change the image. And then you can scroll down and you can add and delete any section that you want. After doing that, you'll tap on next in the top right hand corner. Then from here, you'll be able to add your contacts or the email addresses of your contacts. And you can also import contacts right here. And you can also manage the contacts. After doing that, you are going to scroll down. And from here, you can see the options. You can see my contacts at the moment. Then you'll simply tap on next. Then you will see publish, and you could tap on publish. And that's how you'll be able to send out a monthly newsletter, or you can do any form of email marketing that you want. By the way, you can also add different social media platforms. If we were to go back into the dashboard, let me go back into the dashboard real quick. All we have to do is simply tap on Wix again in the top left hand corner, and it is going to carry us back into the dashboard. Oh, I've been logged out. Anyways, once you're in the dashboard, right below email marketing, you will also see Facebook and TikTok, and you can also add Facebook and TikTok and do your marketing right there. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.